Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. It's nice to meet you. I'm Jess.
Nice to meet you too. Lovely name. So my name is Sahiba.
Shahiba?
Yes.
Perfect. How can I help you with your English today?
Uh, mm, Only conversation.
Only conversation?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. So, what are your favorite things to talk about?
Uh, about culture.
Culture?
Yes.
Nice. Where are you from?
I am from India.
From India?
Yes.
Nice. What is your favorite thing about living in India?
Uh, Food and nature. Yeah.
Food and nature? That's
Yes.
nice. So, I am from Scotland. Do you have any questions about Scottish culture?
Scotland. It's country name.
Yeah, it's the country name. So it's right above England.
Yes. Okay. Yes, I have a lot of questions with you.
Oh, I'm happy to answer them.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Okay. So, tell me, how's my first question is how the people in your city? In your city?
The people in my city.
Yes.
So my city it's a little different. There are a lot of Europeans that live in my city, and
Yeah.
a lot of what is done in the city that I live in is to do with oil.
Yes.
Because we live by the sea. So a lot of the money that is made is from the oil industry.
In your country,
In my city?
city. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So, you live with your family?
No, I live by myself.
Okay. You live alone.
Yeah.
Okay. So, where's your family?
So my family, they live in the same city, but they just live in another village.
Okay, village. Me too.
Oh, wow. So you live by yourself too?
Yes, I live with my brother and my family. My parents, they are living in hometown. In my
Okay.
yes,
Do you live far away from your hometown?
yeah,
Yeah. Do you miss it or are you excited to move on?
yes,
You miss
uh,
it?
yes, a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so tell me, uh, what type of dresses uh, do you wear?
Do I wear?
Yes,
So
do you like
I'm
what
a
types of dresses?
yeah, I'm a little different from a lot of the people in Scotland. A lot of people here, if they wear dresses, they like to wear them short.
Sure.
Yeah, they like to wear them very short, but I don't like to wear my dresses short. I like to keep mine sort of at the knee. Um, but dresses. I like what I really like right now are wrap dresses.
Black,
Wrap.
red. Okay.
Or dresses like the one I'm wearing today, where you can wear like a t-shirt underneath it that has straps.
Yeah. Wow. Such a beautiful dress. I
Oh,
see your
thank you.
dress. Yeah. Mm, so, now how old are you?
I am 23. What about you?
Uh, 17.
Okay.
Yes. So, you are student.
Not right now. I'm waiting to start university.
Okay, you are university student.
Not yet.
Completed your university?
Not yet, no. So I did a volunteer mission for my church,
Yes.
and now
Yeah.
I am waiting to start university soon.
Okay. So you are teacher.
Yeah,
So how long have you been using the Cambly?
not like this is my third day using Cambly, so I haven't been using it for long at
Per
all.
day.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. You are also new,
Yes.
but you are active. So active.
Oh, thank you.
I thought you are using the Cambly since a year.
No, not that long.
Oh my God, such a short time.
How long have you been using it?
I have been using the Cambly for a month.
For a month?
Yes.
Great. So one thing I would change, the way that you say that, would be I have been using Cambly. You don't need to put the in front
Yes.
of it.
Okay. Okay. So, mm, tell me when you go to the market. So, what what type of things do you purchase?
So we don't really have markets here. We have markets, but it's usually they're like one off, so they
Yes.
only have them once. So we have like shopping centers where you can buy clothes and other things like that, and then also we have separately fruit shops.
Okay. Not market.
Not a market, no.
Oh my God.
Markets are more like special things, like Christmas markets.
Yes.
We'll have that.
Okay, I see. Oh, so you go to the mall and showroom.
Yeah, so we call it in America, they'll call it a mall. In the
Mall.
UK,
Yeah.
and I think Australia too, they'll call it a shopping center.
Okay. Shopping center.
Yeah.
In here in my city, a lot of market. Which
Mm,
yeah, we purchase the dresses from the market. We purchase from the market.
oh, it's nice to have it in one place, right?
So, have you ever been visited in India?
No, I've never visited India. So the one thing I'd change there is have you ever visited? So I'd use ed
Visited.
for past
Yes.
tense,
Yeah.
visited.
Okay.
But no, I've never visited India. I would love to one day.
Okay. Any other countries?
Yeah, so my mom is from
Mhm.
Thailand.
Thailand. Okay.
So I'm in Thailand.
Mm-hmm.
And I've been to Australia and America.
Okay.
Have you traveled a
So,
lot?
sorry.
Have you traveled a lot?
In outside of India?
Mm-hmm.
No, never.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So we don't have very much time left, but do you have any final questions for me?
No.
No? Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, it was so good to talk to you and to get to know a little bit about you. And
So,
I'm
are you married?
no.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yeah. You live alone.
Yeah, just myself.
Yeah. I know.
Perfect. Okay,
Okay.
well, it was good to
Bye
meet
bye.
you.
Meet you
Bye.
too. Bye.